Hello, this is Erin from the Kingwood Branch Library. Today I'm going to be reading My Garden by Henkes. This book is read with the permission of Harper Publishers. My Garden by Henkes. My mother has a garden. I'm her helper. I water, I weed, and I chase away the rabbits so that they don't eat all the lettuce. It's hard work, and my mother's garden is very nice. But if I had a garden, there would be no weeds, and the flowers would keep blooming and blooming and never die. In my garden, the flowers could change color just by my thinking about it. Pink, blue, green, purple, even patterns. And if you picked a flower, another would grow back, right in its place. In my garden, the rabbits wouldn't eat the lettuce because the rabbits would be chocolate, and I would eat them. If I planted seashells, I'd grow seashells. If I planted jelly beans, I'd grow a great big jelly bean bush. Sometimes in my garden, good, unusual things would just pop up. Buttons and umbrellas and rusty old keys. In my garden, there would be birds and butterflies by the hundreds, so the air was humming with wings. The tomatoes would be as big as beach balls, and the carrots would be invisible, because I don't like carrots. At night, the morning glories would stay open, shining like stars, and the strawberries would glow like lanterns. It's night now. Only the fireflies in the porch light are glowing. Before bed, I take one seashell from the shelf in my room and I go to the garden. I poke the seashell into the ground. Who knows what might happen? I cover it up with dirt and pat down the dirt with my foot. "What are you doing?" asks my mother. "Oh, nothing," I say. "Just working in the garden." So now we're going to sing a song. So I know that a lot of you have sung a song called Farmer in the Dell or songs based on it. This song is to that tune. We're going to be singing about planting a seed and growing a flower. So we're going to use our hands to do this song. So here's how it goes. The gardener plants a seed. The gardener plants a seed. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the gardener plants a seed. The rain falls on the seed. The rain falls on the seed. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the rain falls on the seed. The sun shines all around. The sun shines all around. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the sun shines all around. The flower begins to grow. The flower begins to grow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the flower begins to grow. Before we finish story time, I'm going to show you how to make a craft. We're going to make tulips. Now, I had origami paper, but if you don't have origami paper, you can still do this at home. All you need is a square piece of paper. Take your square of paper and fold it diagonally to make a triangle. Now find the middle of the big side of the triangle. I've marked it on mine. Fold the corners of your paper up. First one side, then the other, to make the petals of your tulip. Thanks for tuning in to Storytime, and thank you again to HarperCollins Publishers for the permission to read this book. Have a good week!